Are you wondering whether gold or land is the better investment for the future? I'll tell you a few things, but first listen. This video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now listen, when it comes to long-term investments, okay, I'll tell you something while I'm driving here. Gold and land are both popular options, but they have their own advantages and their own risks. So deciding which one is right for you depends on your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and how long you plan to invest, okay? So in this video, we're going to explore the pros and the cons of investing in gold versus land so that you can make the best choice for your future, all right? So here's what you need to know. Gold is a safe investment. It's a safe haven investment. Tends to hold value over time, especially during times of economic uncertainty, okay? Which is a big thing. So gold is easy to buy and sell, and you could keep it in physical form or through investments like ETFs. Land can be a great long-term investment, especially if you're buying in areas that are growing, okay? It could appreciate over time, and you could use it for development or for rent. However, buying land requires way more research and takes way longer to see returns. Gold is more liquid, meaning that, it's easier to sell quickly when you need cash. Land usually requires more maintenance and can be less liquid, meaning that it takes time to sell. So both gold and land can be great investments depending on your situation. The key is to choose one that fits your goals, okay? So basically, if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.